In this video, I'll guide you through how to install or roll back to previous AMD driver and downgrade to older AMD driver version. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, click on your Windows key and search for Device Manager. Now expand Display Adapter and right-click on the graphics driver and then Properties. Now click on Driver tab. Now if you want to roll back your previous driver, then click on Rollback driver button. But if you didn't find it, then click on Update driver and then browse my computer for driver. And then let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer and choose your driver and click on Next button. Then you will find the rollback driver option. But if you want to install the latest version of the driver, then first you need to copy the graphics card name and open the browser and search for a graphics card name. Now open the official website and then click on Download. Now choose the latest version of the driver and click on Download. Once the download process is complete, then you can install it on your computer. I hope you found this video useful. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily install or roll back to previous AMD driver and downgrade to older AMD driver version.